Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your financial vision with Wealthsimple, full guide step by step clearly. To reset your financial vision with Wealthsimple, start by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all relevant financial documents, including bank statements, investment accounts, and debts. Identify your income sources and total monthly expenses to understand your cash flow. Next, define your financial goals clearly. Consider both short-term and long-term objectives, like saving for a vacation or retirement. Once your goals are set, create a budget that aligns with them. Wealthsimple offers various budgeting tools that can help you visualize your spending. Sign up for a Wealthsimple account if you don't already have one. Follow the prompts to complete your profile with accurate information about your finances. Next, explore the investment options available through Wealthsimple. Select an investment plan that fits your risk tolerance and financial goals. Wealthsimple's robo-advisors can guide you in building a diversified portfolio. Review the recommended investments and make any adjustments if necessary. Set up automatic contributions to your investment accounts for consistent growth. Consider using Wealthsimple's savings tools to build an emergency fund. Track your progress regularly to ensure you are on the right path. Adjust your budget and investment strategy as your financial situation evolves. Engage with Wealthsimple's educational resources to stay informed about financial literacy. Attend webinars or read articles to enhance your understanding of market trends. Finally, ensure that your financial vision remains aligned with your personal values and lifestyle choices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.